In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make 100x trading meme coins on Solana with a bot. We are going to use Unibot. I will show you how you can set it up, how you can manage to find the new coins, what to trade, and every parameters that you need to implement. This is, for example, the last trade I did with the bot. The bot that I recommend to use is a Unibot. I will put a link down in the description. Why I recommend this one? Because they have the best referral program. No, I'm kidding. But I tried most of the bots, and for example, bonk bots don't have as much functionalities as Unibot. So when you created your account, which is just in Telegram, a chat app if you never used it, you can put some Solana on your account by just clicking to copy the address, and you put it in your centralized exchange, for example, Binance or Bybit. You say withdraw, you send 1 Solana, and then you will be able to start to trade with it. Before we get into how to configure your Unibot, you have to understand that it's super important to use a bot either on Ethereum or Solana. Why? Because now we use decentralized exchange. If you trade on centralized exchange, that's the secondary market. If you trade with a decentralized exchange, for example, Uniswap or something like that, you're on the primary market. But if you trade with a sniper bot like Unibot, you are even before all that. So you're at the beginning of the blockchain, and this is where the opportunities are. Look at the number of coins that made more than 10,000% in the last 24 hours. It's insane. Now, I can't say that it's not risky. This is really risky, but this is where you can get rewarded, because you get rewarded depending on the amount of risk you take. And you want to be at the beginning of all those coins. See that? Plus 61,000%. We will actually trade one live just after this. And I want to show you first how you can set up your Unibot so it will take profit automatically. When you're on this menu, you can click here to see all the positions that you have open with all the different tokens. You can check the limit orders. We will check later on how you can set them up. You can also have the DCA orders, which let you, for different token or whatever, place some orders at the regular intervals of the same amount. This one is one of my favorites, copy trade. I always search for the best traders, check what were the best trade in the last 7 days, if it's worth following them, because it's on the blockchain, so I can see who made money, who lost money, right? And I will just copy them. So this will place the orders for me to buy and to sell at the same time as they do it. And yes, that means if you have an influencer, I can copy his trade before he even posts it on Twitter or YouTube. I trade at the same time as him. Then you have different options for the new pairs that we will check in a second to be able to trade. The bridge, we are not going to need it. Withdraw, you can send your money somewhere else. For example, you can withdraw all your Solana to this address, and I will be more than happy. If we check the settings, I recommend you to be on the turbo mode. Like this, your transaction will be faster. And why we want this? Because our goal is to be as fast as possible. What we are trying to do here is to be at the beginning of the blockchain. So it would be kind of the same if you were on a dating app, let's say Tinder per se. If you have a new profile and you're the first one to match with it, well, guess what? They don't have 50 or 100 conversation going on. So you will have a better position on the dating market. This is exactly the same thing here. You want to be at the beginning of the blockchain when it's pure. If you were trading on Jupiter, for example, yes, it's interesting, it's still fast, but with the bots, you are going to be way faster. You can protect against MEV, the buys and sell. And what is important for me is the auto sell. So in the auto sell, I set up all my take profit. You can set it up yourself. You add an order that will let you know, okay, I decide what percentage change it will happen, and then the amount I would sell. For example, when there is a 100%, I take 35 out. When I do plus 400%, 25 out. When I make 1,000%, 40% out. And 10,000% take 100% out. This is the best way to do it. We can set up the chart preview. I like to see this, the PNL value, all that are good for us. Once you have set up your Unibot, you can go on deck screeners, click to get the new pairs, select Solana if it's Solana that you want to trade, and they will apply your parameter to have what is minimum with 1K of liquidity and all the different pairs. As you can see, the results are crazy right now, but we can't be sure that this is safe or that we can get in. What I recommend is to always do what we call a rug check. So you take one of the pair and you will check if the contract is good. For example, on rugcheck.xyz, it will analyze the contract for me and I can see if it's good or not. This is another example where it's bad. This one is bad. We can see that there was a rug, so they removed the liquidity. By the way, welcome on Handsome Finance, where we study what's happening on chain because the blockchain is an open ledger, so we can know who made money, who lost money, follow the smart money, and make even more money. Don't forget to put on your little matcha, and let's get to it. Let's find some trades. I know the intro was a bit late today, but it's fine. So we're gonna class by age to have the newest coin. This one was launched 11 minutes ago. We have a new Pepe again. It's a new Pepe every day. And the liquidity is above $1,000. So we can avoid a lot of the scams. However, I want to see if we can see some coins that are not launched yet coming soon. So all those coins will be trading later on in 2 days. Okay, in 17 hours, 16 hours. It's in a bit too long. We don't have the time. In 4 hours and then it's rug locked. Okay, not that good here. As you can see here, it's a really low liquidity. We have the alerts and it's not locked. So I will avoid this coin. We get MAC, which is starting pretty well. Let me put on the 1 second mark. Okay, I'm gonna analyze the contract. I will use the website rugcheck and I can see that this is a pure scam. So one wallet is owning 95% of the supply. So you see all those people, they are buying now. They are losing money. All of them are not subscribed to Handsome Finance. None of them clicked on the notification bell and none of them clicked on the like button. So who to blame? Well, I guess we can blame them. It's free to subscribe to Handsome Finance and we gain knowledge in what's happening on the blockchain. Maybe we can find a coin that took a hit in the second wave, like in the last 5 minutes, and may gain traction again. Just by looking at it, I quite like Updog. I want to see what's happening on the Pepe. The liquidity is locked and we have 11K, which is quite fair. We have a website, we have a Twitter. So it's always a good sign when you see that the developer put in the work for this, but it doesn't mean that it will succeed. I'm going to check as well the rug check because I want to be sure that the developers cannot remove the liquidity or they get all the liquidity for themselves and that it's a fair launch. And this one is good. Pepe Sol on Sol. It's beautiful. Where peps meet around the globe. Not bad. Excited to join Pepe. We are at a market cap of 34,000. Pretty low. And on Twitter, 15 followers. It's nothing. But the problem is that Dollar Pepe, it's all the coins that have that. So they share the same ticker and this is not the best way to do it. So probably I'm going to avoid this one. I'm just going to check if it gets a bit more traction. I was watching this one this morning around here and you see just before doing the video, of course, it's the one that went up. This is how crypto works. Shiba with hat, Sonic, Rug, Biden, Trump, Clinton. Let's check that one. So we don't have any social, but the pump is happening. And to be sure, there's 2 wallets. We have 3 wallets actually. There are probably, no, 2 wallets, sorry. This is Radium. So that's the liquidity pool. 2 wallets that own a lot of it. It's not the best and no social, and we can't have something that will help us to trade it. So I'm going to avoid it. What do we have else? Let me check INF. This is pretty bad. We can see a massive drop. So we don't have much luck here. This is not a normal graph. I'm going to check all the coins that are less than 3 hours now. I removed the liquidity minimum and maybe we can find some gems. This one have a good ticker name. However, they didn't put anything on social. So that's not the best way to do it. Otherwise, the rest seems to be okay. The meme is good, but the launch is struggling. So unfortunately, Jesus, we will not do it. A good example of something bad is a chart that looks exactly like this. And this is actually a honeypot. So again, some people that are not subscribed to Handsome Finance or didn't join the investors boardroom, well, they're losing money. Like all those wallets are losing money. Because a simple check, you could see that the owner still can mint the token. So now it's just going up, but the people, they can't really sell. We are now on Updog. Let's see how it goes. It's some great memes online, people posting about it, but it was 10 hours ago. So this one could be interesting. Good thing, for example, on Solana is I can refresh and see my position. Here we are a little bit in the red. If I refresh, it changes every time. And I can have the access to sell really fast. And that's how you can get your maximum profit. Let's see if we can find some other ones. Take more than one bet. I don't like this graph. Pepe, but upside down. Was it a rug? Yeah, we had a full scam here. Let's stay on Solana though. You have a good amount of liquidity. However, no information on the contract. No social. Let's check our position here. Dog still minus 4%. Cursed seems good. Why not trading that one? I will do a quick search on their social. Nothing happening, so I will just stay away. This one, the liquidity was removed, so even it was locked, not everything was burned. So this token is probably dead now. We get TIFF going back up. Our Updog is up plus 14%, and I don't know exactly where it will go. Let's see what happened. Do we get some new stuff on Twitter? Liquidity is still pretty nice around this. The ticker is singular, so this one they're trying to pump it. What's up, dog? So it's pretty good meme. 1 hour, this dog destined to the moon. Shared by this guy, 1,100 followers. Let's see. We have still we are plus 16% here. So that's not bad. We could sell it and made a small amount of money. As you can see, it went back up. Or I could just leave it running and then hope that it makes more. We are plus 20% now. This is why those bots will be quite addictive. Now for one win, expect to have few losers. The way I reduce my losers is by either checking the contract and everything. And the second way is with the investors boardroom, because we're gonna search in group. And then of course, if we have few people who understand how the blockchain work and can find those opportunities, well, it's a lot more efficient. So we can find all the best like this and analyze also some different elements. So far, it's only 800 followers. That's probably the only negative point that we have about Updog, and only 230 people in the Telegram. So that means this is not yet a big meme. What I will monitor now is the evolution of the number of followers. If it's growing or not, then I will also check the number of traders. Are we gaining more holders or nothing is happening? And this will give me an idea of if I should stay in this trade or not. Still, I could get out now, made a tiny profit. It's not bad, 20% in a few minutes, but maybe it will go more. Now I have my stop limits and everything, so I can just leave the bot doing the work for me. And that's why I will put you a link in the description if you want to use Unibot. This is for me the best one to use. I try them all. And my goal is always to find the best tool that will do most of the work. For me, to be honest with you guys, this is not my favorite way to find those opportunities. What I prefer to do is to find the best wallets and I just copy them. This is what we mostly do actually in the investors boardroom. We either find some influencers or some people that are just good at trading. And because it's the blockchain, I can know as soon as they place an order that is buying or selling, and I copy them. This is how I use Unibot the most. And maybe in the investors boardroom, you could also copy my own wallet if you want to. Like this, I do the work for you. There is some risk associated with it, but this is what has been working for me. And you can actually check it in this video where I show some amazing gains again and again and again. So don't forget to subscribe, check out this one. And of course, before you leave, you have to not forget one thing. What is it again? Oh yeah, of course. Stay handsome. Ciao.